Expansion of an idea: a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. The proverb "a chain is only as strong as its weakest link" illustrates the concept that the overall strength or success of any group, organization, or system depends on the weakest or least capable part. Just as a chain will break at its weakest link, a team or system will only perform as well as its most vulnerable or underperforming component. This saying highlights the importance of teamwork and individual responsibility. In any collaborative effort, whether it's a sports team, a business project, or a community initiative, every individual's contribution matters. One person's lack of effort, skills, or commitment can undermine the whole group's success. It serves as a reminder that even a small issue or weakness, if left unaddressed, can affect the entire system. In the context of workplaces, organizations often rely on the efficiency and capabilities of every member to achieve collective goals. A department or company will face challenges if even one person is underperforming, whether due to lack of skill, motivation, or responsibility. The performance of the entire team is linked to the weakest member, and it's crucial for leaders to identify and support individuals who may need guidance or development to strengthen the whole group. This proverb also applies to personal growth. As individuals, we may focus on developing our strengths but may overlook our weaknesses. However, the weakest areas of our lives, whether in our physical health, emotional well-being, or skill sets, can hinder our overall progress and happiness. Strengthening our weaknesses can help us achieve balance and overall success. Furthermore, the proverb teaches us about vulnerability. It encourages leaders, organizations, and individuals to identify and address weaknesses, rather than ignoring them or hoping they'll improve on their own. By reinforcing the weakest links and making improvements, we can create a more cohesive, resilient, and successful whole. Thanks for watching this video.